Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Monarch Money's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Monarch Money's account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in app.monarchmoney.com and make a search. You're going to end up on the official page of Monarch Money's account. Click on Sign Up option. On the next page, to sign up for your Monarch Money's account, you can continue signing up using your Apple, Google or through email as well. Select any one of the option. Here I'm gonna go with email. Enter your email address and tap on Sign Up with Email. A verification code will be sent to your email address for confirmation. Enter a verification code sent to your email address and tap on Verify Email. Now create a password for your Monarch Money's account. After you're done, tap on Create Password option. Select an appropriate option for questions being asked, follow the prompts till the end and pay for the subscription, or else you can also start free trial as well. Once you do so, you'll be able to sign up for your Monarch Money's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.